How is GIS analysis used for environmental impact assessment? Have you ever wondered how technology helps protect our environment while we develop land for new projects? Geographic Information System analysis is a key player in this process. It provides a spatial framework to assess the potential impacts of proposed projects on the environment. By creating detailed maps and spatial databases, GIS analysis combines various data types, including environmental features, cultural resources, and project locations. In archaeology, GIS analysis is especially important for managing cultural heritage sites. It documents and evaluates how development projects might affect archaeological sites and their surroundings. For example, GIS can map sensitive environmental resources alongside cultural assets. This allows for a more informed assessment of how a project might impact these areas. One of the most interesting applications of GIS in environmental impact assessments is predictive modeling. This technique uses historical and current data to forecast potential environmental impacts. In archaeology, it can help locate undiscovered sites or predict how development might affect known ones. This is particularly useful when planning new construction or land use changes. GIS also supports remote sensing techniques like light detection and ranging and photogrammetry. These technologies are essential for detecting hidden structures and assessing environmental conditions. They provide detailed elevation models that reveal subtle topographical features. This aids in identifying potential archaeological sites and assessing their vulnerability to environmental changes. Now, let's break down the practical steps involved in using GIS analysis for environmental impact assessments. First, data collection is essential. This involves gathering spatial data on environmental features, cultural resources, and project locations. Next, data integration combines these datasets into a single GIS framework for analysis. Once the data is integrated, spatial analysis takes place. GIS tools analyze the relationships between project locations and sensitive areas. After that, visualization comes into play. Creating maps and three-dimensional models helps visualize potential impacts and effectively communicate findings. Finally, mitigation planning is developed based on GIS analysis results. This involves creating strategies to minimize adverse impacts identified during the assessment. By integrating GIS analysis into environmental impact assessments, archaeologists and environmental managers can better protect cultural heritage sites while ensuring sustainable development. This approach not only safeguards our history but also supports responsible land use for future generations.